Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we are going to be doing our June Boxycharm unboxing. I am so excited for this box because when I got it, of course I opened it to see what was inside, and you guys, this box is a good box. I have been patiently waiting to play, and I have not watched any other videos or anything because I didn't want to have biased opinions or anything, but I am so excited to play in this box. So before we jump in, I do just want to apologize in advance. I have people here putting in a new garage door, and it is probably going to be a little loud. There'll probably be some banging or something, so just please forgive me in advance, work around it. This is the only day I have to film this video, and well, I ain't got time to be waiting for that to be finished because I have to go to my actual paying job in a little bit, so we gotta get started. So jumping right on into this month's box, this is what it looks like on the inside. I mean, can you just already it looks so good. So we're gonna take out the card real quick. First things first, on the back there is a coupon for Sol de Janeiro. It is a 20% off coupon. On their website, it's valid on purchase of $50 or more. I will leave all the information in the description box down below for you guys if you would like to use that coupon code. I really love their products, so yeah, this might be a coupon code that I actually use. I've never used any of my other coupon codes before, just because I was like, I don't need anything right now, but this is a pretty good coupon because their stuff is kind of expensive. It's easy to hit 50 bucks. So anyways, moving right on along, when you open up the booklet this month, the theme is Caribbean Queen. We've got a bunch of beautiful ladies down here. Kathleen Lights is down there. I love Kathleen. Anyways, continue to open. Of course, this has all the products and their information about them in there. So yeah, let's just jump into this. I am so excited. Oh my god, you guys have no idea. So first things first, when I open it, is going to be this item that just jumps right out at me right here. This is a 3-piece brush set from Luxie. I have never tried Luxie brushes before, but I've heard they are really nice, so I'm really excited. This, of course, is a full-size set. It retails for $42. Dang, that's expensive. Okay guys, so this is what the brushes look like. I really love that they're pink with a rose gold handle. I think that's so cute. So you're getting a precision foundation face brush, a tapered highlighting face brush, and a duo fiber powder brush. They do feel really soft, of good quality, and I'm very excited to try these out. I have obviously already put on my foundation and concealer, but I haven't done any of my powder products, so I think we'll go ahead and dip in to use these brushes. I am going to just take my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to take the Precision Foundation brush, the 660, and we're just going to tap in there, and I'm just going to kind of set everywhere that I put my concealer. So I think now I'm going to take the Duo Fiber powder brush, and I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. I don't know that I'm going to contour today yet or not, but I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to attempt to kind of bronze slash kind of contour because my face is much lighter than my body, considering that I've been laying outside and such, so I'm so sorry guys. I'm going to go ahead and use the tapered highlighting brush, and I am going to use my Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter because I just can't get enough of this. And so we're going to see how this brush is. This brush is a lot bigger than what I typically use for highlighting, but we shall see. That highlighter though, oh my god. Okay, you guys, so I really do like these brushes. I think they are really nice quality, which I've heard about Luxie brushes, so I'm excited that I now have some of my own to continue to play with. I think all the brushes performed really nicely, and none of the bristles were falling out, which is really awesome. So yeah, I do like these, and as always, I love getting brushes in the box because I've said it 1,001 times, but you can never have too many brushes. All right, next, moving on. The next thing in the box I see is this little cutie patootie thing right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk about this because I'm not gonna use this today. But we got a little trial size of the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is, of course, a little mini travel size, and it retails for $10. I love this stuff. I recently really got into it. I always smelled it when I went into Sephora, and then on the last like 20% off sale, I finally bought myself a big jar. I don't know if you can see it, but it does sit up here on my dresser. I use this almost every night when I get out of the bath. It smells so good. It's so hydrating. It's not one of those like oily or like gross feeling lotions. It really sinks into the skin, and it smells so good. So I love that we got one of these in here because this stuff is quite expensive for like a lotion, in my opinion anyways. I mean, like the big one is like, I think like $45, maybe $42 or somewhere in there. So it's quite an expensive body butter, but it works really well. So I'm excited to get a little travel size of this, one for travel or two when I run out of my big one, so I can like squeeze some more out before I have to go spend my own money. So I'm excited to get this in the box, and I do personally love this stuff myself. So now moving on, I'm going to jump into this product right down here. This is the Alamar Reina del Caribe. Oh my god, I'm so sorry if I am butchering this. I probably am. But this is a full-size eyeshadow palette. It retails for $28. You get 8 shades, 4 shimmers, and 4 mattes. This looks absolutely beautiful. Let me swatch some really quick for you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is the swatches of the palette. Like I said, 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. Good God, they look so pretty. The colors are gorgeous. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm going to go ahead and do a look. I have no idea what I'm going to do, but I am going to go ahead and just speed through this. I'll either point or write the name of the eyeshadow I'm using on the screen. That way this video is not too long. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Okay, you guys, so this is freaking beautiful. I didn't use the dark brown or like the light pinky shimmery shade, but I used every other color as you guys saw. And oh my god, the mattes blended so beautifully on the eye. The shimmers were stunning. This is no Fix Plus, no nothing, just straight from the brush and onto the eye. I thought they were stunning. Very little to no fallout, which I was very impressed by. I think the color combination is absolutely perfect. I mean, seriously, I just feel like I should be like going on a tropical vacation and like sipping a pina colada by the pool right now or something. This is beautiful. The colors are absolutely gorgeous, and I really like this palette. So yeah, before I zoom you guys out, we're gonna go ahead and do a couple more things. So next we're gonna talk about this little guy right here, and this is the Jean Bleu. Ooh, Might be wrong too, but that's what this is. This is a waterproof eyeliner pencil. This is 100% vegan. Yeah, this is obviously full size. This retails for $5, so a more drugstore item, but I mean, hey, if I love it, then I'd be happy to go purchase this for $5. And this is in the shade 903 Dark Brown. Let me swatch it real quick. This is what the color looks like. It's pretty nice. Didn't tug too bad on the hand. I will say I am not a massive fan of like sharpener liners. I like the ones that twist up, but we're going to be quiet about it. I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline and tight line and all that jazz with this. Let's see how it goes. Ooh. I'm going to pull my eye down and do it this way. It's so pokey. This is not a bad pencil. It tugged a little bit more on the eye than it did on the hand. Like, it's not as creamy as some of the other eyeliners that I use, and it could be because it's waterproof. I don't know. I think the color is nice on the eye. It looks really good, and I think it goes pretty decent with this eye look. So there's that. And then let's see, moving on to the next thing in the box is this right here. And I am so excited about this, you guys. So this is from the brand Baddington. These are Monroe Silk Lashes. I love the little packaging and the box. I mean, come on, how cute is that? Seriously? This is, of course, full size, and it's $28, so it is a pretty pricey lash. I have never heard of this brand before, but it says that they enhance your look with moderate length, adding adding volume and length to your lashes. They are handmade with 100% silk. Okay, you guys, so I will say that upon like initial first impressions, these lashes are really, really pretty. They're not heavy at all. The band is really, really thin and very easy to work with, which is nice, especially, you know, for looks where you don't want to use any liner because it's not super thick and annoying. They are not very dramatic at all, which is good if that's not what you're into. I myself like really dramatic lashes, but I think these have just enough kind of like oomph to really make a difference with the look, because I think this look looked nice when I just had mascara on, but I do think these lashes kind of just took it up a notch, but without being too busy to distract from the look I ended up creating. So I do think these are quite nice. I will continue to use these. Last but not least, let's jump into the very last thing in the box, which is this right here. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Verona. This, of course, is a full-size product, and this retails for $21. And you guys know from every other Boxycharm that I've ever said that I am more of a liquid lipstick girl, and we typically get like glosses or things like that. So I am super excited for this. This color looks really, really pretty. I'll swatch it for you real quick. That's that right there. Oh, that's nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm so excited. Let me just go ahead and put this on. So that was everything in this month's box, and I did the math, and this box retailed for $134, which I know I say it every month, but you guys, that's insane. The box only costs you 21 bucks. You more than make your money with almost every product that we received. So that is so crazy to me. And I would have to say that this is my favorite box that I have received thus far. This is the best one. I mean, I freaking loved pretty much everything. The only thing that wasn't really my favorite was the eyeliner, and that's just because of a personal preference thing. I mean, the color was still pretty, and so it wasn't bad at all, but it just wasn't my favorite. But everything else, the brushes, the lashes, the lipstick, the eyeshadow palette, of course the travel size of the body butter. I mean, come on, you guys, that was an amazing box, and everything is like so fun for summer and so great, and I am so excited. This box has me so hyped. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. As always, if you yourself have Boxycharm, let me know what you got in your box. What did you think? Were you as excited as I was? Was this box one of your top boxes or what? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!